So I got my box, my fruit box, and I'm going to do the unveiling, the unboxing. Alright, so I got some cane. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 bags of cane. Alright, I'm seeing some of my favorite types of plums. I don't remember what these plums are called. Probably hog plums, maybe. Alright, I'm seeing some OTAHEITE apples. Alright, and then I'm seeing some coconuts. So it's not much things. Probably last, I don't know how many days, but some coconuts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, so 6 coconuts. Alright, so 6 coconuts, 2 bags of plum, 6 bags of cane, and 2 bags of OTAHEITE. I'll show you what that looks like. Yeah, so this will probably just last me over the weekend, 2 or 3 days. So the first thing I'm going to eat from the box, the fruit box, is the OTAHEITE apple. Not fully sweet. Definitely not one of the sweeter ones. Anyway, thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe.